Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe my channel right now for getting my more videos, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos, because I tie beautiful turbans. And another thing is, I'm on Instagram. If you guys have not followed me on Instagram, you guys can follow me there. Link of my Instagram is in the description, and my Instagram is coming here right now. So let's see how can you try this beautiful Jordan style turban. It's a culture of Jordan, okay? I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up, leave your beautiful comments below, and Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.